We owe a debt of gratitude beyond measure. Their guidance, support, and mentorship have shaped us into the individuals we are today. To honor the invaluable contributions, I invite the head girl Razna Ramlan to thank them on behalf of her fellow graduates.
Well, this is it, the end of our high school journey. A journey that took 15 years to complete. Looking around, I see 22 familiar faces. 22 of the many luminaries who have been instrumental to shaping our success. 4-year-old me would be so proud that I could count to 22. And I owe it all to Shirazia teacher who held my hand when I was struggling to grasp the basic concept of numbers. Honorable Chief Guest, His Excellency O.L. Amir Ajwad, and the respected Principal Sir, Dr. Rukshan Razak, Deputy Principals, Vice Principals, our beloved teachers, staff, and my dear graduating batch of 2025. Assalamu alaikum and a pleasant evening to you all. Standing here, marking one of the biggest milestones of our lives, I would like to take on this opportunity to thank our beloved teachers who have been with us from the start, guiding us from learning our ABCs to learning how to tackle financial statements. Thank you, Faisal sir. As the famous saying goes, a journey of learning is never complete. It's a lifelong journey without a destination. However, the teachers we learn will continue changing. And now we are leaving behind the teachers who have taught us our whole lives. The smiles we would exchange when we realized there's only 1 minute left for the bell have now transformed into looks of sadness as we come to the bittersweet realization that these are final moments with our incredible teachers, amongst the many that we will treasure with every single one of you. We remember being in grade 9, running down the corridors whenever we saw Fazna teacher, who was the discipline head at that time, because we were so scared of her. And now she's our class teacher, and we are obviously her favorite class ever. We remember our long ago lessons with Devika teacher, Saniha teacher, Farshida teacher, Nirmali teacher, and Shavini teacher. Even though we were only little kids when you taught us, your lessons have stuck with us to this day. For instance, we will never forget Hasma teacher's alphabet lessons when she taught us that J stood for jelly. We made strawberry jellies in class, and to this day, we will never forget the first time we learned the letter J. We remember Nushra teacher's wise words of advice to us in grade 10 when we were stressing over our IGCSEs. She would always tell us, shoot for the moon, because even if you miss, you will land amongst the stars. Some of us got inspired to study, and some of us just prayed for that, like Firdausa says. We remember how Sujit sir taught us that y equals mx plus c, and then Hajat sir came the next year and taught us that x minus m plus c plus I plus g. I'm still not sure what y is equal to, but thank you sirs for making your lessons memorable. Our teachers have taught us so many lessons outside the classroom. We will always remember our media unit meetings with Asanka sir, Hania teacher, and Shakil sir. The sports training and netball practices with Chandana sir, Shamila teacher, and Minfa teacher. We used to be so scared of prefects, and now we are the prefects. Having regular meetings with Samira teacher and Imtiaz sir, Zuhar teacher, Simira teacher, and Kumari teacher. Thank you, Yohani teacher, for helping us with our papers. Sharmi teacher and Wasim sir, for all the therapy sessions, our class needed them more than we think. Finally, we want to remember our first ever teachers in this school, Fahima teacher and Nadia teacher, who is sadly not here today. They were the first teachers that most of us ever had, and their teachings is how we started our journey at SLISR, a journey that is now finally over. I would like to end my speech, my final speech as a student of SLISR, by acknowledging the sacrifices you've made for us, the late nights spent grading papers, the early mornings spent preparing lessons, the countless hours spent listening to us. And for the last time, thank you, teacher. Now, I would like to request my class to rise and honor our beloved teachers one last time by giving them a big round of applause for being there with us till the end of this milestone. Thank you, teachers.